where's the hand? Oh, yeah, here it is. Alright. My new creation, so he can stop Spider-Man. Hey, boss, what do you want? Captain America's here. Oh, yes. Bring him in. Alright. So, what is this new project that you have been talking about? Well, I created a robot so he could stop Spider-Man and his other fellows. Oh, is that so? Yes, it is so. So this robot here can defeat anybody. So all you have to do is just like turn off the lights and then he'll like turn on. Here, let me turn them on. It's kind of like in the bottom somewhere. Oh, nice. What's that thing? Oh, this thing? Oh, this gives them more energy. Well, put it on. Why is the hanky not falling off? Oh, it's just doing like that. I forgot to grab some screws. I ran out of them. I used them for the other arm. No, put it on the other arm. He doesn't eat those. Alright. We don't need this. Your mission is to kill Miles Morales, the Spider-Verse. Yes, master. Let's begin the hunt. Marvel Episode 1. Robot Fight. Yeah,
disability progression. When ready, I take it at home in 1 minute a month. Drastic if you've had an allergic or lifelong.
Yo, you're a robot. Well, I did kick robots before with Peter, and I will do it again.
Certain antibodies may decrease in monitoring. Most common side effects are upper respiratory infection, headache, and injection reactions, including swelling.
Bro, come on, trust me, it'll work. Oh my gosh! No way, you actually caught him? Yep, got him. Alright, go. Let me just see something. I forgot that he had that venom power. I feel sleepy. Oh my god. What? Where the heck am I? Oh. Oopsies. Robot, get out of here. If he defeats me, they go outside. Alright, I'll do it. This ends now. Bring it on. Round 1. Fight. Luckily, I brought access to the robot when I was fake sleeping. Wait, what? To make him be unmanned. Like that ever will happen? Oh. We got him. All right, let's go. Knuckles? Yeah. What the heck did we just witness? No clue. Sonic and Bluey, episode 3 is coming tomorrow. Ooh.
Yes. Okay, I use the bathroom. Not right now. Why not? Dominique is in there.